What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Just thought I'd create updated tutorials, but I've managed to find some Animal Company promo codes that everyone can use right now, and this is going to get you tons of free company coins. You can even unlock all skins and items in Animal Company, and this is a simple code that you can enter in-game. So before I show you guys how to go ahead and get these working Animal Company promo codes, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel because I do plan on making many more. So as you can see guys, I'm using my mobile phone and I was searching Google. I also watched tons of videos as well. But yeah, basically guys, I was searching and I tried all of these codes and they give you very little. The best ones that I found is what I'm going to show you now. So what you're going to want to do is just use your mobile phone internet browser. So it's very important you do this on your mobile because the process is a lot easier. And essentially you need to head on over to coldcoupons.com. So if you type it correctly, what it's going to do, guys, it's going to bring you to this codes website called Cold Coupons. And they have codes for loads of different games. They don't only have VR games, they of course have like mobile games and video games and stuff. So I'm just going to use the search bar at the top because that makes the process of finding the Animal Company promo codes page a lot easier. Now, when you reach this page, you can see there are 4 verified codes here. So essentially, all you've got to do is scroll down. You can get an Animal Company promo code for free skins. You can get free research points, so you can get 100 of them. You can get 25,000 free company coins, and you can get all items. So this can unlock all items. So just select the code you want. So this is free coins. So this is going to get you free company coins, and that saves you a bunch of money because they're not cheap if you was to purchase them, guys. So that's why I recommend these promo codes, because they do save you money and they're pretty easy to get. So essentially you need to unlock your personal promo code because these are limited, and considering what they give you, it does prevent people from taking all of them. So you can only get 1 code per person. Now I've already done this, guys, but what you're going to want to do is click on this button and just follow the instructions on the next screen. You need to complete 2 of the free offers to unlock your code from Cold Coupons. Now, as you can see, these offers are completely free and they sponsor Cold Coupons. That's how they can supply us these awesome Animal Company promo codes. So basically, you need to follow the instructions for 2 of the tasks here. And they're simple things like installing mobile applications, playing mobile games. So just read the text that tells you how to complete the tasks you choose. And if you do that, guys, it will redirect you back to Cold Coupons. Your Animal Company promo code will be fully revealed in this box. And you essentially redeem it in-game in the computer. And that is going to supply you, in this case, with free company coins. But yeah, these are by far the best Animal Company promo codes. So make sure you like this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.